and me who are dear bako me tibi ebia I am a yabuame. What a one corrupt practice or corrupt issue you see from the office of the vice president Konu way and now we are because
and the tia wa de na se
it's about power the former president when he was vice president I didn't see it and you have no mama the person church said and you're not tia doesn't come in because the vice president the former president John Mahama or your vice president they won't some baby by I this ball no I say atamos allegedly or certain committees or day or investigating no kwabrameboa who wants your advice or access to CEOs any other but until wasem eba corruption and me say met me the nice form say o man pedin abedi akire Alhaji Ali Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia me de metima sanachi metimi asanachi Odi o man pani na nado begina ho a mitimi sa na chi sesi because ne ma bi akoso ne ade a ya titi asum ne ne ahu no e ma ye ntumi nyina simpie so nka se but telling you this
but boss me so me hu no se fa ba be say call into that angle now am here be am from so fa ba be say we nipa
why
the vice president we nipa and
no sir
I get your point I understand
tell you the me can say me come the onyo kwabra who the me say vice president enfiensi ani de ma huru de mente say ebia no obi wo bia on fama me say enfiensi obedi ade ye secretary enema bi fa nase ana asem bae na we bae mente bi kwabra mente bi wodi ne huni pa e wo sikasemu economic management team chairperson na no sika no heso
but nipa bebre nso enhyeda trust no e wo oman no sika seme sa na me hu no
sika no totoyem
se oni bi kura no a ne totoyem no e raise questions more than answers
okay
because being the leader of the economic management team and the vice president per the constitution of Ghana not say you are in charge
in a Gosiano. Speech and press giving day. Hey,
that all chairman to what? Chairman of PTA. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I like your chairman. One can be. Bantana me koye. Na na see me ma warning no. Mami tell on Alan Biden no ne ade na. Me o say anopa be bantanti. Ba say dan tell.
Wa ko platform so. Mu sa no pe de no wanom.
Me de say ka me giro mo ko say. Wo man tie o mu no mu ja say bia me DVW ne ho
ya bomo ko tokado wa mama nkune ya
e basa o maji adwuma ya boso efire kwa ya ko bido buko enfenso ko guzie ntimi nka e bia ne ya betina ha na Bawumia na de so Bawumia ne sempra e beja kwa aka efire kwan ni aka yi
na no pay.
Can you just imagine how they talk or say sa dole ya aba from a edwadifo ho tom kakra kri no e artificial ni bi ne dey. I don't know how that is even artificial. When the government brings a policy, ya kind policy no ha. David Nkanza it is saying ya share policy no ha say policy no can and like the policy was straight. Baby to say toothpick. Baby to say vegetable products ni ade no. Ye betu ni aye no Ghana. Inti yemfa measure mbra a system mbra something when Fifi Kwete was in government, his stupid arrogant government couldn't learn. These fools do not know how to run an economy or how to run a country. They think running a country is a birthright. They feel say running a country is a birthright. Sister Cynthia, how can a whole new general secretary foul say, bra, na mo so mo alternative no mo fa message Ghana na wo betena TV so a ompai bo a wo bo ne say ekomu a adwo ama Ghana fo ho kakre to mo no wo mpaye ne say o try artificial wind na blow na Ghana asen akọ hardship. But yet Ghanaians will go and vote for these people. My God, sometimes yeah. Now show me Charlie AMO boy. NDC buys with the dollar. NPP buys with the dollar because we have both NDC traders and NPP traders. Mama Babs, thank you. Share, please share the program. We have NDC traders and NPP traders. They all use American dollars. Na ende onyame ayadom NDC ni komo adweno, NPP ni komo adweno. The reason why we elect a government. Now when your opposition government say, ono de na konchen a oye ne say, dollar ya aba for mo as say si di na aba soro no, na mpa bo ha ne say entwam. Na oye ne epinisie oya wona na Ghana fo ye komu no ansa ne scan eba from no yensan ko back. And this person wants to rule Ghana. And Ghanaians love them. Ghanaians love them. Like, how do you people think? Ghana, for what are we doing to our own self? If you didn't hear, our
dollar is coming down, fuel prices are dropping, transport fares have dropped. You should be happy for government.
Yeah, I'm happy for the people, not about government. I'm happy for the people that at least temporarily there's some kind of reprieve. But the truth of the matter is that this is artificial stuff. This
Artificial?
Is artificial. Yeah, they're artificial.
How?
It's normal. You know, when it is that you have a situation where
you see how dumb this guy looks. He's very stupid. Me say, leadership the two dumbest people need way any yamin. I'm telling you. Leadership we and this for we no a Jimmy form you know a womb. I know until I am one say Ghana for be kwako to aba and this neighbor to aba e dia mom ye fifi kwete because papa we no or no otumi twa atro no twa wi ono abetena aka kire say de oka eni ni na oboa we ye on mind ba on mind for esu afre ye president akoda adwene ehunu say oh enam say ye use dollar no e de krakra sa niama we free abonten benti ena ma ye ho e kire yen say yen jai sa niama na ye kra de ban importation yen jai na ma ye sidi no nye den engineer o se da bi e artificial now umpire and say oh trying so that we will see when the breeze goes or when the wave goes, then we will see the real picture. Meaning your real picture for Ghana is doom. Your real picture for Ghana is to come and destroy Ghana. Because one of the catcher Miss Adia na misu. And na dia na perform Mrs. Stella meninje. A course running the enemy soon a dear bayatem, a banye bibi, Bawumia bon, Bawumia ye bibi. And then the measures are banner a year juma. Crofo we are seeing a better TV soon radio so say my government ain't take credit. Nanka dollar no kosura measures on member because a government in ye bibia. Uti anka dollar no sign kosura. Na CD no ho chire na. Nka measures say Jimmy for concert party for we. Ya pese